Shein releases thousands of new fashion items every single day. Not every season, not every month. Every day. It doesn't rely on celebrity designers. It doesn't hold massive inventories. It doesn't gamble on trends months in advance. Instead, it watches you. Click, scroll, like, abandon. And turns that data into clothing faster than any brand in history. This is the story of how Shein built the most data-driven fashion supply chain the world has ever seen, and why it completely rewrote the rules of fast fashion. For decades, fashion worked like this. Design today, produce months later, ship globally, hope it sells. That model depends on forecast accuracy. Long production runs, high inventory buffers. And when forecasts are wrong, you get massive markdowns. Waste unsold inventory. Shein looked at this system and asked a radical question. What if we don't predict demand? What if we measure it in real time? That question changed everything. Shein doesn't start with designers. It starts with data. The platform tracks search queries, click-through rates, time spent on product pages, cart additions, abandoned carts, social media trends. Algorithms identify micro-trends before humans notice them. Instead of asking, what will be popular next season? Shein asks, what's gaining traction right now? Design becomes a response, not a guess. Here's where Shein breaks every rule. When Shein launches a new design, it doesn't produce 10,000 units. It produces 50 to 200 pieces. That's it. These microbatches are produced locally, shipped fast, tested immediately. If the product sells, production scales aggressively. If it doesn't, it disappears. No markdowns, no excess inventory, no sunk cost. This turns manufacturing into continuous experimentation. Shein works with thousands of small and mid-sized factories, mostly clustered close to its logistics hubs. But these suppliers don't operate independently. Shein provides design specs, material guidance, production targets, real-time performance feedback. Factories receive digital dashboards showing what to produce, how much, by when. Poor performance. Orders shift instantly. Good performance, volume scales rapidly. This creates a market-driven manufacturing ecosystem where speed and responsiveness matter more than size. Shein's logistics are designed for speed, not elegance. Key principles: centralized fulfillment, direct-to-consumer shipping, heavy use of air freight, ultra-fast cross-border logistics. Unlike Zara or H&M, Shein skips physical stores entirely. That removes store inventory, replenishment delays, geographic forecasting complexity. Every product flows from factory, fulfillment, consumer. It's a digital-first supply chain, end-to-end. Shein's model is powerful and controversial. Critics raise concerns about labor practices, environmental impact, waste generation, ultra-fast consumption cycles. Many brands tried to copy Shein. Most failed. Because copying Shein requires massive data infrastructure, thousands of agile suppliers, ultra-fast logistics, cultural tolerance for experimentation, algorithm-driven decision-making. You can't bolt this onto a legacy system. Shein didn't optimize a supply chain. It rebuilt fashion around data. Shein is not just a fashion brand. It's a real-time demand-sensing machine, disguised as an app. Whether you admire it or criticize it, one thing is undeniable. Shein has built the fastest, most data-driven apparel supply chain in history, and it has permanently changed what fast fashion means. That's why Shein is a supply chain legend.